Now let's modify the lead page layout. So on the setup page, click Object Manager, and in the quick find bar, type in lead, and then click the lead object. And click Page Layouts, and choose your lead layout here. And then we're going to look for related lists. So scroll down in this box here until you find related lists, and click that. And we're taken to the section on our page layout where we have related lists. And then we're going to look for email sends. And if you can't find it, you can just type in the name here into this box. And as you start typing, it will search for whatever you're typing in. So we see email sends here, and we'll drag email sends to the top of this related list until we see a green line, and drop it there. And then we'll take individual email results and drag it right below email sends and drop it there. And then we'll come up and click Save. And then we'll click Yes, we want to overwrite our personal related list customizations. And then we'll click Home. And then we'll click these 9 dots right here. And then we'll type in leads in this search bar up here and click leads. And then we'll click this drop down button here for this list view and click all open leads. And we'll just click any lead here. And then we'll come over to the right hand side of the screen and we'll see our related lists, and we can see our email sends and our individual email results. So those 2 related lists that we just pulled in are on the lead page layout. And that's how you drag those 2 related lists to the lead page layout.